Hey everyone, I just finished filming a tutorial on my hair, so if you like how that looks, then definitely check it out. And honestly, it's very easy and fast. If you're just on the go, you want to throw up your hair, if it's either messy and you don't want to straighten it or anything like that, this is the way to go. So if you like it, check it out. What we'll be making today is blotting papers for your face because I have extremely oily skin. And it gets annoying because whenever I'm taking pictures or anything like that, if we're out, I will have like this big shiny spot on my forehead or on my T-zone, and it is not cute. So I'm going to show you guys a really fast and easy way of how to make blotting papers. You can throw it in your bag and it's really easy, so keep watching. This do-your-own is really easy and it is really fast to do. So I'm going to show you guys what you guys need. So first off, you're definitely going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need either or. Paper like this, you can get this in the dollar store in a pack of like 40 sheets or 20 sheets. This one is thinner. I kind of prefer this one that you normally find this in the stuffing of a bag if you get a new bag or anything like that. I'm not exactly sure where you can buy this. You probably could, but I'm not exactly sure. Sorry. But yeah, either or works. So what you're going to do, so I'm just going to focus the camera down. Oh, also, and you'll need a makeup bag, but the size I would probably use a smaller one so you could just fit these neatly inside of your purse, but it's really up to you. So I'm just gonna focus this down. Okay, so what you're gonna do is section off the parts. So let us use over here. This looks like a good part. Just ripping it, nothing special. We'll make it better after. So we have like a nice big area to work with. A nice big piece to work with. And we're just going to fold that in half. And then we're going to fold that again. And that should be good. So, I'm going to cut that. So, back to grade 1. Cutting with scissors. Craft time, guys. Cut that into 4 sections. And then those little ends, we're just going to neaten them up and cut them off. Like that. I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing right now. Probably not. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So, sorry. We're just cutting off the ends to make these into little squares. So now, these will fit so nicely into a little makeup bag. So you just fold them in half and put them in there, and you're ready to go. So on my face, I'm just going to show you guys how I preferably use it. I get really greasy and oily in my T-zone, so I would just pull out one of these and I would blot it right here, here, and here. And I just go like this. Hold it for a little bit. Here. I know I sound like I'm underwater. Like that. And then over here, here, and on my forehead. And you probably can't see the oil on it because my face is not really oily right now, but trust me, if your face is oily, like if you've done your makeup and you went out and your face got oily, when you use this, you will see how much how much this took off the oil off your face. It makes a huge difference. So after I'm done blotting any oil from my face, then I'll just reapply a little bit of powder for a nice finished look, and I'm honestly good to go. So that's it for my tutorial today. Did I just say tutorial? Yeah, I did. Sorry. That's it for my do-it-yourself, and I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.